Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we will guide on connecting AirPods to your iPhone or Android device. In just 5 easy steps, let's get started. Step 1. Connecting AirPods to your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Your AirPods will connect automatically when you bring them close to your iPhone and open the charging case. For AirPods Max, simply take them out of the smart case. When the prompt appears, tap Connect. Depending on your AirPods model, you might need to follow additional prompts, such as setting up Hey Siri or enabling spatial audio. Once done, tap Done to complete the setup. Step 2. Adjusting AirPods preferences. Your AirPods will now be set up with all your other supported devices signed into your Apple ID. To customize your experience, open Settings, and then tap on your AirPods to access available options. You can tweak various settings to suit your preferences at any time. Step 3. Connecting AirPods to an Android device. To connect AirPods to an Android device, go to your Android settings, tap Connected Devices, and then select Pair New Device. Next, open your charging case and press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case. For AirPods Max, press and hold the Noise Control button on the right headphone until the status light flashes white. Your AirPods will appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap them and follow the prompts until the pairing process is complete. Step 4. Enjoy the music. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your AirPods to your iPhone or Android device. Now you can enjoy your favorite podcasts, songs, or make crystal clear calls without the hassle of wires. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.